Now I'll show you other elements that you can edit from this top menu. They give you a little bit more limited elements that you can edit. However, I'll show you what else you can access. So cart page. Here you can simply enable cart nodes, but it doesn't do anything on this particular theme. 404 page, you can only edit the header and footer area if you wanted. About Us page and Contact Us page is pretty much the same. You can also edit header and footer areas, so you can customize to show perhaps different menus on the pages, different look of the menu, of the logo, of the icon, and obviously to display the announcement bar or not. So you can edit them or you can simply leave them as it is for more consistent look and feel across your website. After making any changes, don't forget to click Save.